Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this beautiful pink KitchenAid mixer is my helper in the kitchen. I really like that it has different speeds since depending on what is it that I'm baking, that's the speed that I will be needing. For white eggs, I need a really high speed, and that's what it does. And I really like that the motor is strong, but at the same time, I can do very delicate mixing like egg whites. Or if I need to break down sugar or flour, it will do the job. And I like this little attachment that it helps to keep everything inside and not have all the flour all over the place. Even if I add chocolate chips, the consistency that it will give me, it will be really soft, smooth, just ready to bake. And the results is just beautiful because my family gets to enjoy it. And that's my point of view.